In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a Downstream O2 sensor on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located underneath the vehicle. We're underneath the vehicle now. Here's your exhaust. Your O2 sensor is right here. It's right near your front cradle. If you follow the wire up, your plug is right along here. It's right along the side of the frame. You want to do is push your connector pin in and pull down. Now you can take it out of this rubber hanger, pop that out. Now you remove your O2 sensor from your pipe. I'm using an O2 sensor socket. You want to slide that over the O2 sensor. Take your breaker bar, insert that. You can use a pipe for leverage. Once you have it loose, you just take it out by hand. And there's your O2 sensor. Take your new O2 sensor, screw it into the pipe. Give that a snug. This O2 sensor did not come with a rubber boot to put in this isolator. Fish your wire up past that, rest it in that bracket. You can just wire tie that so it stays out of the way. Cut off the access and plug in your O2 sensor. Wait for that click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.